Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for a food adventure. India has a variety of cuisines and today we are exploring the North Indian region. This is Kadhi Pakoda and the chef today is Rinku Jha. I have the detailed recipe in the description box below, so relax and enjoy the recipe. Come on. These are the basic ingredients we need for the kadhi. We will make the kadhi first, and once the oil is heated, we will add in the asafetida, fenugreek seeds and coriander seeds. These are the basic ingredients for the kadhi, which is nothing but yogurt sauce. Once these crackle, we will add in the dried red chilies, curry leaves and the sliced onions. Saute the onions until slightly golden. Now we need to keep the kadhi base ready, and for that we will need the yogurt and the chickpea flour. Again, the measurements are in the description box. Keep mixing until smooth and lump-free. This is the perfect consistency. We will add in the rest of the ingredients like turmeric, garam masala and the red chili powder and the mustard seeds to the onions. Give a good mix and then add in the water, and while mixing, add in the yogurt mixture we made earlier. And keep mixing continuously at first. Add the salt as per taste and mix. Lower the flame and allow to thicken, mixing in between. As you keep mixing, you will see the color change and see it slightly thicken. This is such an amazing recipe that kids and adults both enjoy it equally. This is usually had with rice. For the pakoda, you can either roughly chop or finely chop the onions and potato. It doesn't matter how you cut them. Add in the chickpea flour and ginger garlic paste and salt as per taste. A very little water to make a thick batter. The best part is of frying the pakodas, and be careful, these are so tasty that you feel like having them as you fry them, so make a bigger batch to eat it by itself. Drop small portions and fry until golden. These look so good, right? Now drop the prepared pakodas into the hot kadhi. The kadhi is slightly thin at first, but it thickens up as the pakodas soak up the liquid. The final tempering, which adds the most flavor to the main dish, is melted ghee. Garnish with coriander leaves. See how the kadhi is boiling and the flame is medium. Once the ghee melts, add in the asafetida and allow to cook for a few seconds. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such amazing recipes I keep posting every week. And thanks for your support. Now add in the paprika, switch off the flame and mix quickly. Temper the kadhi with this awesome tempering. Wow, look at how the kadhi has transformed. Mix well and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. This is the final consistency of the kadhi, and see how it's thickened up nicely and perfectly. Hope you like the recipe and thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.